Hello and welcome back. Today I will be making some dark chocolate sourdough bread. I am putting in about 100 grams of my sourdough starter, about 330 grams of room temperature water, stirring it to break up the sourdough starter, adding about 10 to 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil, adding in my cayenne pepper. Chocolate and pepper go really nicely together, so I'm adding my pepper to give it a beautiful flavor. And about 500 grams of flour. You can use any flour combination you want. I am using bread flour today. I'm mixing it all in by hand. Bread flour tends to hold better when you're putting in inclusions. That's what I've noticed. Other flour hold too, but bread flour has a better holding system. Once all my flour is hydrated, I'm going to cover it up and come back in an hour. I stretch my dough in 1 hour and 2 45-minute intervals. I already stretched the 1 hour and the first 45-minute interval. This is the last 45-minute interval. I continue to stretch it to give it a better structure. The more you stretch it around, the better for the dough. Forming the dough into a ball and letting it rest for the last 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes is up, I'm going to flour my work surface and stretch it out and add in my dark chocolate. Stretching out my dough as thin as I can. Not too thin, but thin enough so that I can add in my chocolate pieces and roll it into the dough. After rolling in my chocolate, I am going to let my dough rise in the bowl for 3 hours at room temperature. Three hours is up. I'm going to flip the dough and do the final shaping and let it rest in the refrigerator overnight, in the coolest part of the fridge overnight, and bake it in the morning. I will be leaving my bread in the refrigerator for about 18 hours or so to ferment and develop flavor. Sourdough bread making is patience, and the longer you leave it alone, the tastier it is. The flavor is absolutely amazing. It's the next morning and it is looking good. I'm going to flip it over into the baking pan, and then I am going to score it to give it air while it's baking in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 450 degrees in the oven. I'll be using steam to bake this one. Oh, look at that bread with the melted chocolate. Now you can't tell me you don't want a bite of this. Until next time, bon appetit!